Hi YouTube, my name is Peter with Geeks Trucking. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing great. I'm just sitting here. I finished setting up my TV today and my Roku in the truck. Um, so let me show you what I did. Good old Star Trek. Yeah. The Samsung tablet's causing too much. There's too much light, so hold on. Let's see. Turn it down. Yeah, that didn't help very well. So I have my TV installed, my Roku installed now. Finally figured out how to mount the TV. Um, Also, I have an Amazon run for tomorrow. Um, Going to 8 different Amazon facilities between California and Nevada. In Nevada, it's Sparks and Reno, so should be a pretty easy run. I hope. Hopefully, the weather won't slow me down, but it is what it is. It's busy working till Friday, so not so bad. Getting back on the road starting tomorrow, so see how my weather app does, my live weather radar and my live traffic update. Also going to play around with my GoPro again, and if you're on Facebook, you can look me up, but hold on one second. Anyways, I will keep you posted and let you know how tomorrow goes with the Amazon. Amazon's not my favorite thing to do. Actually, it's one of the things I hate the most. So, but anyways, I'll stay in tune. I just want to show you my TV setup. So y'all have a great day, and thank you again for watching. Bye now.